Hey guys, Ernest here. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we've done an unboxing video, so I thought I'll start off with a Masters of the Universe He-Man action figure. I bought the guy on the right on the turntable a few months ago, but that was flagged as a 80s retro action figure. But sadly, they re-released another one that you see right here. And that's got a matching face to the original release in 83. And then these guys go ahead and bring out a 40th anniversary figure as well. But that face doesn't really look like the old one. I would really love to get my hands on the San Diego Comic-Con 40th anniversary He-Man action figure, but they're pretty expensive and quite rare, and they're costing a fortune on eBay. So I might just stick with this current release. Let's go ahead and get him out of the box. Okay, that's He-Man out of the box. Looks pretty neat. Both the boys look similar. The 80s retro version as well as this release. But compared to the 80s or 83 counterparts, they have much better articulation. They also come with a mini comic like the original ones did back in the 80s. I've got a whole stack of comics as well, guys. If you want me to go through those comics one by one, or at least a few of those, let me know in the comment section, and I'm more than happy to do videos of the comics as well. Just a quick look at the comic. Not as intriguing and interesting like the ones back in the 80s. There's hardly any storyline or any dialogue. It's just pretty much action pics and probably just have to guess the story. But the ones back in the 80s, they were pretty cool. They had a proper story from start to end, and it was very nice to read them all. And that's the back of the box. Those are the other action figures. I like these, but I'm pretty happy with my 2002 collection. I feel those are much more modern looking and more articulate, and the colors are pretty cool too. So I'm not going to buy all these again. I'm just happy with He-Man because it gives me a feeling of nostalgia and takes me back to my childhood. Okay, let's have a quick look at his weapons. He's got the axe, the battle shield, the power sword. So the head goes 360 degrees. The elbows fold, the wrists rotate, the knees bend, the ankles rotate, the shoes go up and down. But sadly, back in the 80s, you used to have a punch action, twist and punch. So when you twist the action figure that way, we just spring back to itself. But this one just rotates, but doesn't have that spring back release. That's pretty much it. You've got the cross armor. I think that can easily come off if you ever wanted to take it off. And that's pretty much it, I guess. All right, let's go ahead and put him on the turntable. Okay, that's the action figure on the turntable now. They're very identical, but I really prefer the one on the right on the turntable because the face resembles the original release back in '83. And they've also released a new one commemorating the 40th anniversary of the initial release, because the first ones came out in '83. So 2023 will be 40 years, sorry. So they're trying to release some 40th anniversary editions as well, but quite happy with this release. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you like the video, like the stuff you see on my channel, please do like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you, guys, once again. God bless you all.